Hello guys and welcome to Revenge Body with Lorret. Guys, do you know that tens of ways, like 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 with the S of ways to get rid of tummy fat without going to the gym? Let me guess. No, you don't. Bro, sis, if you do not like ginger, no lemon, I would advise you to start liking them because that is your easy ticket to tummy. Okay guys, please before we start, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I like a goat. Let's start. And please, this recipe is 100% accurate. Like, it works like magic. And trust me, in 1 week time, you'll be like, oh my god, how did it happen? Oh, let's go and testify. Let's start. Okay guys, please Do not forget to take this recipe every night before you go to bed. It's really important. And trust me, this works wonders. It's accurate, like it works wonders. It's not the whole, are you sure it works? Are you sure it works? And you know what it contains? Ginger, lemon, and honey. Guys, you know what ginger does to the body. I don't need to tell you. You know that ginger helps with your health, ginger helps with your heart, ginger helps with your respiratory, so many things. So it's not something you'll be like, are you sure you can take it? Is it healthy? It is 100% organic, and I advise you take it because it just doesn't help with your flat tummy. It helps with your health. It even helps with your skin color. Get your popping. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And for those who want a personal coaching on how to lose weight, you can add me up on the number there, on the description button. There's a number written down there. You can join me up on WhatsApp where you can ask so many questions and get your answer. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Let me go enjoy my day.